Welcome back to Booze and Rocks, where we make cocktails for everyone. My name's David Edwards, and today we are going to use the humble strawberry to flavor something delicious. Let's get into it. All right, it's great to have every single one of you back here today. We are making a Strawberry Elderflower Spritz. Sounds complicated, but it's not, trust me. Now, the reason I came up with this cocktail is myself, Rob from Rob's Home Bar, and Vino from 60 Second Cocktail got together and decided to issue a challenge to every single YouTube content creator out there. If you like making cocktails, please create an entry, because the winner of this is you, the viewer. Now, there's 4 simple rules on this. The first one is that it must have a floral ingredient. The second is that it must have a flower garnish. And the third, you have to use the hashtag FlowerPower2021. And fourth, it needs to be in before the end of May. No, that's right, before the end of May. What was I thinking? Anyways. However, what I was thinking that literally trailed off my brain there for a moment was that if we were really smart, Mother's Day is coming up, and if we had this cocktail ready in time for them, cocktails and flowers for your mother, your significant other, the mother of your child, girlfriend, whatever. Smart move, right? You just can't go wrong with that. So let's get into this simple, easy cocktail. The first thing you want to do is grab your glass. That's right, it's a build in your glass drink. It's easy, it's dead simple, and you don't have to do any extra dishes. So first thing we're going to do is grab some ice. Looks nice, simple, easy. Grab your soda of choice. In this case, I'm using club soda. You could use Schweppes, you could use a soda stream, you could use whatever it is you wanted to do. Totally up to you, it's your cocktail. We're going to turn this slightly on its side to slowly pour in there so we don't lose all the bubbles in the effervescence. And you want 4 ounces or 120 milliliters. The next thing you're going to do is grab your sparkling wine of choice. In this case, I'm using Freixenet. It's a Spanish cava. It's a drier cava, and I really, really like this. And we want the same amount in here as our soda. So again, we're going to tip it slightly and just gently pour it in for 4 ounces or 120 milliliters. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is where you wondered, David, where is your floral component? Well, it's in this Strawberry Elderflower syrup that I'm going to show you how to make right now. Place a measuring cup on top of the scale and then zero it out. Begin measuring 4 ounces, 240 milliliters of granulated white sugar. You're going to do the same for the Saint Germain Elderflower Liqueur. Again, 4 ounces, 240 milliliters. Grab a bunch of strawberries, and you need 4 ounces of those as well. Cut them up in any fashion you choose, so long as you remove the tops. We will then add these to the pot and then add the sugar to begin drawing out the sweetness. We'll then add the elderflower liqueur. Begin to heat it up until the syrup goes clear, then let it simmer for 5 minutes. After that, you will strain it and pour it into the bottle of your choice. Now that you know how to make this simple and easy syrup, and I did make this thicker, we need 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous, simple, easy to drink. But we're not done. Now we're going to garnish this. We're going to grab 2 strawberries. The first one, we're going to cut into quarters, and we're going to drop this in here. Now you wonder why I'm just dropping that on top. The second one is we're going to chop the top, and we're going to chop it in half and put another slice in there. We're going to put that right there. But you know what? Look at all that syrup on the bottom. Take your spoon and stir your strawberry pieces in there, and you're just working it through. Oh, look at this. Simple, easy. Oh, it looks great. You've got a hint of a rose type color. But for the garnish, we need a flower component. So I've got these little purple flowers from my yard. And look at that. Absolutely stunning. Let's give it a smell, shall we? Oh, smells good. You get just the barest hint of strawberry and a little bit of the cava. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, the strawberry is right there. It's sweet, but not overly sweet. It's a little bit tart. You get those flavors combined so well together with the effervescence. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients and the method of how to make this and the syrup down in the description down below for you. If you think that I should use any other types of ingredients, please leave a comment down below. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time I put up a new video, you will be notified. And if you'd like to help support the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/booze on the rocks, because every little bit helps us to support and bring these cocktails. Try that again with one breath. You have a great day, actually. It's too bad. I'm gonna just drink this. And you can control, whoops,